The 2nd of June, 2011. On this day, June 2nd and June 3rd, major tornado outbreak in the Midwest. We were kind of like the eastern fringe of it all. But let's see, June 2nd and 3rd of 1990, a total of 66 tornadoes confirmed. There were 5 F3s, 7 F4s, 17 F2s, and that's pretty impressive. And apparently on this day, I think it was it eclipsed the previous record of 21 tornadoes in the state of Indiana. Indiana actually had 37 tornadoes in a 24-hour period starting sometime on the 2nd of June, ending on the 3rd of June of 1990. So some interesting statistics there. And of course, it's not unusual for us to have a few tornadoes around here. And the way I figure, if you go 50 miles in any direction from your house, you will average 2 tornadoes a year. Most of them are pretty innocent-looking ones. Well, there's our highs. Record high back again, 1934. Oh, it was hot during the Dust Bowl. 97 degrees. And then look at this, in 1966, the 2nd of June, freezing temperatures. Yes, 31 is 1 degree below freezing. Well, there's our temperature map. Now, the warm spots in Morgantown was 78. The cool spots in Steubenville was 69. For some reason, the Washington County Airport's in and out. We've got 74 at the Wheeling, Ohio County Airport. In fact, that's what I have forecasted for a high at 11 p.m. last night. Earlier, I had said it was going to be 78, so 74, 78. It'll probably end up around 75, maybe 76. Winds right now coming in out of the west and northwest at about 7 to 13 miles an hour. Not quite as breezy as it was yesterday, but still a very refreshing breeze. Now you can see these showers and thunderstorms. They're basically going to be passing to the south and east of our area. We still have high pressure, which is up over the eastern Great Lakes, and that'll keep feeding dry air into our area, and it's not good for showers and thunderstorms to have dry air coming at you. Well, here's what we got on the temperature map. We have cooled off a little bit over the Great Lakes states. You can see, like Chicago a couple days ago was up near 90. 2 days ago, we hit 90. And you can see there at 68. Buffalo's at 60, but they're probably picking up winds off the cold Lake Erie. And then 56 at Caribou. Oh, boy. Whew, that'd be nice, actually. 71 at Boston. That's a very nice temperature. And then we get the hot, steamy stuff down here. Tomato plants, watermelons, cantaloupe. They just love this kind of weather, especially if there's enough moisture in the soil. So basically, the southern half of the U.S. looks like summer. The northern half of the U.S. looks more like spring. And that's fine with me. There's your forecast. Now look at this. We actually have frost advisories. Allegheny Plateau up at the central and western parts of New York all the way up to just south of the Adirondack Mountains. Also, there's some flooding going on here up along the Vermont-New York border from about Bish Bash Falls northward up to the St. Lawrence River. And then we've still got problems here from New Orleans all the way up the Mississippi River all the way up into, I'm not sure, this is the Wabash River or something in Indiana. I don't know my rivers in Indiana very well. There's the Missouri River. So lots of wet conditions out there again. Lots of flooding going on. Well, there's our wide view of the satellite and radar. You can see still a kind of a bubble of clear skies from Wisconsin over into Michigan, most of Ohio, much of Indiana. I mean, that's West Virginia, Dr. Dave. Pennsylvania up into New York, southern Ontario. This would be, Ontario runs from here over. Quebec runs from here up that way. Kind of cloudy and cool over Quebec. They're looking at some spotty light showers, Adirondack Mountains, Green White Mountains of New Hampshire, and up into parts of Maine. And then we've had a few showers and thunderstorms. This place, probably Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, Kansas, Nebraska, up into the Dakotas. That's where the action's going to be and developing in a couple of hours. We'll show you a predictor in a minute. In fact, just like that, there's predictor. And there's our bubble of high pressure sitting over the eastern Great Lakes. Low pressure off here. Still a few spotty showers, northern New England. Cool, dry air. Wind still coming in out of the northwest. We pushed the button and it indicates it's 24 hours. 24 hours from now, it looks like the high will still be just like north of our area. That's the center of the air mass. We're going to warm up a tiny bit, but tonight, watch out. We're going to be kind of chilly in the morning. I'll show you a temperature map a little bit later. It'll show you a wide range in temperatures. Like the Wheeling, Ohio County Airport was stuck at about 62 for hours, and it dropped to 59. But I'll show you places that were almost down into the 40s, and tomorrow morning there will definitely be some of you out there in the 40s. So there's our nice, beautiful weather for your Friday. Friday moves into Saturday. Saturday, the high pressure moves off the coast. We begin to get some showers and thunderstorms developing late on Saturday. Most of Saturday looking pretty good. High heat and humidity. We got the chili cook-off down at the Heritage Port, and looking pretty good. Usually we got hot and steamy weather with a chance for a few showers. It's usually what happens with that event. Then we get into Sunday. It looks like most of the rain that we get will probably be late Saturday, early Sunday, at least with this little deal here. Then we get another little weak bubble of high pressure that moves our way, gives us beautiful weather for Monday, drops the humidity again. And then, well, Tuesday we could have a system that could produce a little bit of rain here, and then maybe a break in the action Wednesday, and then more showers next Thursday. So that's what we show you here on the 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, high is still in the 70s, which is fine with me. In fact, I'm thinking today is a little bit warmer than I'd like it to be. I like it when the high is about 71 and the low is 49. That's my kind of day. Well, anyway, we got a high 78 for your Friday, 86 Saturday. Saturday could be the hottest and steamiest, especially by late afternoon. But then watch out, because some of those bright, puffy clouds could turn into showers and thunderstorms. Saturday night into Sunday, maybe a stray shower or two late Sunday. Monday's looking good, cooler, less humid. We could probably put the word less humid there, but I don't think anybody's paying attention anyway. And then we got a chance for some showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday, and then maybe again on Thursday. Average high is almost near 80 degrees, so looks like we'll still be above average temperature-wise after tomorrow.